Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to make homemade rupees 5 versus rupees 500 burger and compare if I like the cheap or the expensive one. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. First I'm going to start with making the burger buns and these are all the ingredients. In a bowl add half cup of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon sugar. Whisk till the sugar melts. Now I'm going to divide it into buns and make two different sizes. It won't be as giant, but it will be bigger than our regular burger buns. And for the other one, I'm going to make a smaller bun. Now place the shaped dough balls on a greased baking tray, cover and let it rest again for 1 hour. After second proofing, the buns have almost doubled in size. Now apply milk on the dough buns. I'm keeping the smaller bun plain and regular buns have sesame seeds. So I'm topping 2 buns with sesame seeds, that is white till. And to increase the value, I'm going to top our expensive buns with different types of seeds, that is pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds and watermelon seeds. Now bake it for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. It looks so pretty. Apply butter, cover and keep it aside. Let's make the patty for our rupees 5 burger. Since I have a very limited budget, I'm using only half a boiled potato, 1/4 cup boiled peas, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and mix it all together. Now add oil in a pan and apply oil on your palms as well. Shape half portion into tikkis. And shallow fry from both the sides till it's nice and golden brown. In the same pan, I'm going to toast the buns from both the sides as well. Let's assemble our rupees 5 burger. Apply green chutney on the bun. The recipe link for this chutney as well as all the sauces I'm going to use are mentioned in the description box below. Place the aloo tikki and I'm placing 3 slices of onion and only 1 slice of tomato. Apply chutney on the top bun as well. And close the burger. A cute little rupees 5 burger is ready. Let's move on with making our expensive rupees 500 burger. First, I'm making coleslaw and these are the ingredients. In a bowl, add juliennes of cabbage, carrot and red or purple cabbage. Mix and keep it aside. Now let's make the dressing. Add half cup of full fat mayo, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of chopped parsley. Whisk it together. And add it to the julienne vegetables. Mix it and add 1 more teaspoon of chopped parsley and your authentic coleslaw is ready. Keep it aside. Now let's make an exotic burger patty. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Saute for a minute. Then add 2 tablespoons each of yellow bell pepper, capsicum and red bell peppers. Saute it again. Also, all the vegetables I'm using are organic, so it increases its value by almost double. Then add 2 tablespoons of yellow squash, also called as yellow zucchini. Mix and add 1/4 cup of shiitake mushroom. You can also use button mushrooms. Then add 1/4 cup of broccoli. Saute and add the seasonings, half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give it a final mix and let it cool down completely. Now in the bowl add 4 boiled potatoes, half cup of the jalapeno popper filling. You will find the recipe in the description box below. Half cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup, and finally 1 teaspoon of the bhoot jolokia sauce, also known as ghost pepper, which is the 3rd spiciest chili in the world. I'm using it to give the patty a very unique flavor. Now add the sauteed exotic vegetables and give it a final mix. To coat the patty, again I'm using the panko breadcrumbs. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt, pepper and mix it. Apply oil on your palm. So here I'm going to make a large size thick patty. You can make a regular sized one. Coat it with the flour slurry and place it on the breadcrumbs. I'm going to use a brush to coat the other side. Coat that with breadcrumbs as well. Carefully, I'm going to transfer it on a hot pan with canola oil. Now shallow fry it. It will take almost 4 to 5 minutes to get crispy from one side, and let it shallow fry for more 4 to 5 minutes from the other side. Now I'm going to make the slurry for our second burger patty. Add half cup of corn flour, half cup maida, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of crunchy garlic flakes. Mix it and add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix. Then add half cup of water and make a batter out of it. We need a semi-thick batter. In the Ziploc bag, I have half cup of flaming hot Cheetos from the Recreating Instagram video. Crush it using a rolling pin. Add 1/4 cup of the panko breadcrumbs to the bag and mix it together. Here I'm using paneer, that is cottage cheese made from A2 cow milk. Dip it in the batter we made. Place it on the Cheetos crumb. Again I'm using a brush to coat the other side. Cover the other side with Cheetos breadcrumb as well. Now deep fry for 4 to 5 minutes or until it becomes crispy from all the sides. Here I made some jalapeno or chili poppers. Deep fry them till golden brown. I also made mozzarella stuffed onion rings. Fry it as well. You will find all the recipe links and product links in the description box below. Finally, all our burger elements are ready. Just can't wait to assemble it. So let's get started. Slice the bun from the center and just look at the texture. It is so perfect. Toast it from both the sides using butter. Apply chipotle sauce on the base. I'm placing 2 leaves of Lolo Bionda lettuce. Add the coleslaw over it. Place few slices of cucumber, onion and tomato. Now place our exotic veg burger patty. Then I tried to find some expensive cheese and I found this Emmental cheese slices. I'm using 2 of them. Place the base of one more burger. Apply mint mayo and honey mustard sauce over it. Now I'm going to place 2 leaves of Lolo Rosso lettuce. Place few slices of pickle. Jalapenos. Black olives. And boiled baby corn. Place the paneer Cheetos patty. The other expensive cheese I'm using is the smoked cheddar cheese slice. Place it over the patty. Then place the onion rings and the jalapeno poppers. Add one more Emmental cheese slice. Finally, I'm closing it with the top bun on which I already applied the chipotle sauce. Wow, just look at how pretty it looks. I tried to find as many expensive ingredients as I could, but still the total of this one massive burger came out to be rupees 500. Same thing you will get in any restaurant or cafe for almost 1200 to 1500 rupees. So making at home is always a better option. It is super heavy as well. Let's check its weight. Damn, it's over 1 kilo, which I didn't expect at all. Let's taste both the burgers and see which one is better. Okay, so the rupees 5 burger tastes more like a vada pav, but it's really good. And the rupees 500 burger is amazing. Of course, it's super messy and it's not staying in place. I wish you could see me eating it, but the taste is so unique. It's a flavor I never had. From the two, I like the expensive burger more, but honestly, nothing can beat a regular sized burger which is not that messy and actually fits in your hand. Nevertheless, I had so much fun making and eating both the massive as well as the chotu burger. Let me know what you think and give me your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Chance02, Samiksha Yadav, Dakshini Mageshwaram, Manvi Badminton, and Cook Yummicious. If you want a shout out, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.